So this is little Rory, and this is the view from my computer. I'm sitting at the table on the back veranda, the courtyard. Batzilla's feeding the little reds, and little Rory's getting his sun time. Hey, beautiful. Look at you. So Rory's busy grooming, and River's on his white teddy. They're really enjoying the sun, aren't they?
Bit of fluff on his wingtip.
Whose little face is poking out there? Okay, stop it. Oh. All right. I love the waving feet. Hello. This is Rory. Yeah, Rory's bum. Aren't you gorgeous? And this is Daisy, Princess Daisy, wherever you are.
No, that's Princess Scarlet.
Oh, it's Princess Scarlet and little Daisy the bat dog. Daisy the bat dog who wants the ball to be thrown. Look at that bum. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous?
Just when it's clean.
Daisy, sweetheart, Daisy the bat dog has come onto my lap to help me edit some videos. Or are you helping me do comments? Daisy? Daisy. Okay, now we have to establish some parameters. You're not allowed to put your feet on the trackpad. No, you're not. No. Right? No? Okay. Oh, you're being a very, very, very good girl. Okay, but I'm not getting any work done. So how are we going to arrange this? Could you just sit on my lap and be nice? Apparently not. Could I have my computer back? No. Okay, I'm at a bit of a loss here. Would you like a cuddle? Here we are. Oh, good girl. Yeah, no, we're back to square one. You're such a good girl, though. All right, on my lap. All right, on my lap, sweetheart. Perhaps put the ears down so I can see the screen. Daisy. Right, tricky. Oh, you are beautiful, but not helpful in any way whatsoever. But I still like you. Daisy. Daisy. She thinks she's a cat.
She's watching me. You're watching your mama.
She thinks she's a cat.
You're watching your mama.
Cats always sit on computers.
Good girl.
It warms their butt. Okay. Daisy. Yeah, I'm not your mum. All right. Go and sit on that computer. I'm not using it. Here we are. All right. Us on computer. Is that the way it's going to be? Right. Yep. This is Daisy the Bat Dog, as requested. Daisy the Bat Dog is relentless with this, and she has been doing this for the last several hours. Where are you, Daisy? Oh.
She's 10.
She's 10.
It's gone 10.
Okay. And if she doesn't bring the ball close enough,
And another one.
she's found another
And
ball. Yeah, well, the other ball was there. If she doesn't bring the ball close enough, Batzilla says, I can't reach it. I can't reach it, she says.
She'll do it, yeah.
And Daisy brings it closer.
Oh, here she goes, here she goes.
Yeah,
She
see?
bats it.
Oops.
Very good.
Oh,
Can't reach that.
can't reach, can't reach.
Right at your foot. It's right at your foot.
Oh, it's next to my foot
Yeah,
now.
right at your foot. Yeah.
All right, well, in that case,
You should have to throw it. Would you want me to throw it?
I want you to throw it because I'm trying to video.
Oh.
I think Daisy's an equal opportunity and she brings it back to me or to you,
Yes.
one or the other.
No, it's my turn then.
It's your turn.
He drops it right at my feet. There you go.
Oops, my chair's in my way. All right, I'm exhausted, Daisy. Don't bring it back to me.